When I started thinking about offering yoga mats in the Philippines, ikaw yung unang artist na nag-pop up sa utak ko. So, sobrang into yoga kasi ako recently. And then, when I started thinking about offering yoga mats in the Philippines, na parang I thought na, syempre dapat gusto ko pretty yung yoga mat ko. Ikaw yung unang artist na nag-pop up sa utak ko. Syempre, Sofia Kope. I've always trusted the quality of your work, and then ikaw, you also trusted me on sourcing.
Yeah, the execution. Yeah, you're super efficient. I think your creativity is also in like managing things, making sure that things get done. You're the one like carrying it out and bringing it into fruition. When I was making this, I didn't think like parang usually I was just absorbed in doing the artwork, but like I'm almost removed from the idea na this could be like a tangible thing.
Thank you then for saying yes, kasi I know how busy you are. So I just said na parang we'll be having 3 designs for the yoga mats. First is, I wanted it to be like a community.
Yes.
Ganyan. And then second is something about hope, something about a new day, a sunrise, ganyan. And then, sabi mo, Riz, what if, since you are into manifestation and universe, why don't we create a manifest yoga mat?
Yeah.
Parang sabi ko, sige, let's do that. Excited ka na bang makita yung yoga
super
mats? Kasi this is gonna be your first time. The first unrolling of the yoga mat is what we call harmony yoga mat. So, sabi ko dito, ang first mat natin is all about the struggle.
Yes.
But at the same time, being in harmony with nature, with other people, and with yourself. So, hawakan mo muna.
Oo nga parang,
the quality.
I didn't expect that it would, like, this is the material. Because usually, diba, it's parang like rubber. Na parang woven siya. But it's different.
This is vegan suede.
Nice. It's almost like parang decorative yung style
Thank you.
niya.
That's the goal.
Diba? Kasi diba, we want it to be pretty, not just functional. Function and form.
And pretty. Ayan, ganyan siya. Can you walk us through your thought process with this one?
When we were brainstorming the designs, we totally had no idea how we wanted to look like. We just talked mostly about the feeling. Parang relate. Yung ganong feeling na parang, yung parang may ganon.
Ako din to.
Yes,
ganon.
exactly. Na parang they identify with the mat because this is where you will practice it. It represents real people who are practicing yoga. Kasi very often when we think of yoga, automatic, the image in our heads is somebody who's like super flexible and who can do a perfect headstand. A lot of us are not really that flexible. But that doesn't make us less of a yogi. Kasi at the end of the day, yoga is about the intention and you keep on trying, keep on doing it, keep on fixing your form. So it's like a process of like betterment every time.
Process of betterment.
Yes, I wanted to capture that moment na struggling ka, pero
you're still trying.
You're still trying, you're plowing through it. You're mindful of, you know, your poses and you're improving yourself along the way as a yogi. So, I drew these figures na imperfect yung poses nila.
I love that.
That's the idea, and I included elements na like plants because like those things parang we needed nature, especially,
and that's how we grow. Parang ganun
exactly,
yung
growth.
growth.
It's symbolic of growth, and also like looking at our current reality right now, parang I think we yearn for that connection with nature again, and that's why we put plants in our homes right now. And daming plantitas. Actually, those people were in my mind when I was creating this. It should blend with the home jungles.
Right.
So parang I wanted
Look at that. It's so pretty. Even
Thank
the
you.
colors. Ang ganda.
Yeah, with the colors, I believe like we really thought about it. Because I was also thinking about the branding of Lana, na parang neutrals, natural colors, earthy, but still with
fun.
yeah, fun and pastel-y. Until I'm happy with the result. Yeah, so it was like I said earlier, our love for intentionally made things.
Yes.
This is also like one of those things na parang sobrang joint effort talaga.
Totoo. And I love yung mga ganitong elements. I feel like it's parang elevating your frequency.
Yes,
Ganon. Energies and frequencies.
Yes.
For our next unrolling. Yeah.
I love
so,
it.
chanan. There.
Oh my God,
Look at
I
that.
love. Grabe. Ito yung parang
lumalabas na yung tunay na persona namin ni Af. I call her Af, by the way, kasi Af yan siya nung araw.
Yes, Af yan.
Personally love the colors here. It's so relaxing. It's so,
parang almost meditative.
Okay, so this is what we call the sunrise matte. And ang ganda-ganda niya.
It's a lot nicer in person. Kasi when I was
Sobra.
creating this, actually, this style is pretty common. But I knew I had to introduce my own style and
Sofia
my own...
copified.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, parang... Kasi you see a lot of these styles nowadays, parang with the mountains and everything. So what made this different is just like the elements that I put in it that I feel like would really capture yung idea
Gusto
of
natin
sunrise,
ang sunrise.
a new day. The elements that I added here, actually these are basic
Yoga poses.
Yes, basic yoga poses. So we have the cat pose, the tree pose, the mountain pose. Lahat yan actually related to yoga. The arc was actually, it's meant to parang symbolize like a window, an opening.
Love that.
So when I was creating this actually, I was flowing. Like, I wasn't overthinking what I needed to produce. I just wanted it to, like, manifest however it wants to manifest. Like, I was just having fun. Like, oh, what if I put pigeons here? And I really love the cat stretching because, like, the cat is also the muse of yoga, right? Kasi for the flexibility and just the
vibe of
yoga. Of yoga. So, is attributed to natural elements and living things.
Ang ganda.
That's nice. Actually, I'm just marveling at it.
Sobra. Lalo na siguro kapag nakapost ka na.
Yes,
ganon,
exactly.
etc.
I really like it. I didn't expect this to like look so much better in person.
Diba?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yay.
let's unroll this magically. Ching! Char. For our last but never the least yoga mat.
Yes.
This is our manifest yoga mat.
I'm excited with this one.
Yeah, it's about manifesting things, dreaming,
Yes.
and claiming things that are meant for you. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Whoa. What?
Okay, oh my God, I'm excited to explain this.
Ang ganda, hindi na ako mag-hold back sa aking kagalang-galang na persona. Ang ganda nito.
I wish people would see this in real life. We were so fond of galaxy aesthetics. And other than that, I wanted it to look like it's lit. Like literally lit up, na parang nag-glow. So, I played with dark colors and gradients and parang mga yellows to make it look like it's like lit up. So with this one naman, because I think we are both believers of the law of attraction. And I really, it's something that I practice, that I do journaling, and parang I have my gratitude journal. So as we grow older, life gets harder. And when life gets harder, we tend to believe less and less in miracles and the goodness of the universe or God or whoever it is you believe in. And especially with the pandemic right now, parang it's so hard sometimes to bring yourself, like, to just be optimistic.
Totoo.
Kasi parang feeling mo na parang, this is it. This is the end.
Ganito talaga eh.
Oo. But then again, I wanted to capture dito sa design na to, yung feeling when you get what you want. Di ba when you get what you
Best
want?
feeling.
Right. Especially kapag unexpectedly, you feel like the universe is finally like cooperating with you. And the dots are connecting, kaya there are
Kaya may mga
constellations
ganito, yeah.
here. And you start to just feel one with everything. Parang nag-open yung heart mo when things are working out for you. And I wanted people to remember that. Like this image of the girl, actually...
Sofia Copelo.
Yes, actually this was taken from my actual picture. Like I drew it digitally. Because that picture was actually, it was around 2016 when I was like starting to awaken to like the idea that ultimately everything that you need is already inside you. And so that's the idea behind this. And kahit ato, like parang the hands, it's like asking and you shall receive. Di ba parang ganun yung basic idea of the law of attraction. Just ask it. But also you have to be humble. The universe will yield to you if you are grateful for what you have now.
Yung personal interpretation ko here was parang to always give your light to everyone. Na parang nag-aabutan ng blessings, pay it forward, na parang
you have to circulate your blessings
and energy, and you know, parang even if you are halfway soaked in the water, parang you just have to go and look at the horizon. Na everything will be all right. Na it might be dark right now, but the universe is looking out for you.
Exactly. The universe is seeing you through, and that's the idea na parang you just have to look up. When they say na parang chin up, like parang things will be better. I know it's so cliche, but at the end of the day, it really makes sense. When we're down, those are our humbling moments. And ngayon ka lang na-realize yun.
Diba?
As we're talking.
Diba? Ang ganda niya talaga. Everything is so symbolic. And again, this is our manifest yoga mat. For everyone, if you wanna have these artworks in yoga mats by Sofia Cope, please go ahead and go to the website. That's www.lana.ph. Alam mo yun, kapag kunwari sobrang depleted ka na, pagod ka na, exhausted, burnt out, how does Sofia cope?